Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now I love dosas, be it any kind of dosa, it's my favorite, and today I'm going to share this delicious Mysore Masala Dosa. Now I've made this beautiful spicy red chutney and this lovely Aloo Masala, that is a potato masala that goes into the dosa. So why wait, let's get into the recipe and see how we're going to make this wonderful Mysore Masala Dosa. So first I'm going to make a nice spicy chutney for the dosa. I've taken about 25 Byadagi chillies. So if you don't have these chillies, you can also use the Kashmiri red chillies or the regular Guntur red chillies, but the Guntur red chillies will be very spicy. Next I'm adding 4 large cloves of garlic. Now, because they're very large, I'm just adding 4, but if you have a smaller size, you can add about 8. 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, a few fresh curry leaves, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. First I'm going to grind it without adding any water, and then I will add a little water and grind it to a nice fine paste. So I'm just going to gradually pour water and make sure you get a nice fine paste. Wow, the red chilli and garlic chutney looks fantastic. It smells incredible actually. For the potato masala, take a nice white pan, add about 1 tablespoon of oil, add all the ingredients for tempering, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon urud dal, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add half teaspoon of hing or ASAFOETIDA powder, a few curry leaves, add 1 large onion finely chopped, one large piece of ginger finely chopped, 3 green chillies chopped, once the onions have turned transparent, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, just give it a quick mix. Next add 5 boiled potatoes chopped. The aloo masala is coming together very nicely. So now I'm going to pour some water, about half cup. So I'm just going to gently mash the potatoes because we want a nice soft masala. So you can use a heavy ladle or a potato masher like this. Just mash the potatoes gently. So the aloo masala has come together beautifully. Just give it a quick mix. Finally, I'm going to add some chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the stove and keep this aside. Now to make the dosa, take a little batter, pour it on the pan, spread it. Flatten the dosa with a spatula on all sides. Pour oil around the dosa and on top. Maintain the flame on medium. Next, add a little bit of the spicy chutney and spread it generously onto the dosa. Pour oil around. Now place the prepared aloo masala onto the one side of the dosa. Add some chopped onions and some chopped coriander leaves. Fold it and remove it from the pan. So there you go, here is this simply delicious Mysore Masala Dosa. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. Wow, that Mysore Masala Dosa looks absolutely delicious. You can serve it nice and hot with some nice chutney and sambar by the side. So this is a must-try recipe, guys, for all the dosa lovers. So do try this recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.